Dr. Carlos Calvosa, leading board-certified urologist from Costa Rica, talks about correction of urinary incontinence using urinary control systems.
Urinary incontinence in men is a very important pathology that we're treating here in Costa Rica. And since maybe 1991, we started implanting what we call the urinary artificial sphincters. Urinary artificial sphincters are going to be surgeries that are going to close the urethra, so men are going to stop leaking urine. And what we use is what we call the AMS800 urinary artificial sphincter. Okay, I've been doing this surgery since 1991, as I was telling you, and we have a lot of experience in this surgery. Even I have been, again, a surgeon that has been appointed by AMS to train other surgeons in the Latin American area. And this is what we do. Mainly, this is what we call the urethral cuff. And this is what we put in the urethra. This is the tubing system that goes to a little pump that is implanted in the scrotum. And this is what we call the reservoir. That is the liquid that's going to go inside the pump and inside the pump and inside the cuff. Okay, so this is the system, and it's called AMS800 urinary sphincter. Okay, or urinary artificial sphincter, and that's what we call this system. And it's a very good system that is going to treat the patient with urinary incontinence, and it's very successful in patients that are incontinent after radical prostatectomy or other type of procedures. How does a sphincter or urinary sphincter works? Okay, you can see here, this is the cuff and this is in the urethra or in the urine channel. So a man, this is going to be closed in the urethra. So a man, it's going to pump this pumping system. It's going to, the liquid or saline solution is go back to a reservoir, and this is going to open the sphincter in the urethra. So then there's going to be the urine, the mixture or the urinary or the urine. It's going to come out the urethra. After 2 or 3 minutes, because of a pressure system, the liquid is going to go back to the cuff and it's going to close the urethra again. And this closing of the system is what it's going to help not to have urinary incontinence in men.
Medical Tourism Corporation facilitates affordable medical and dental treatment at world-class international hospitals and clinics. Fill out the estimate request form on our site, medicaltourismco.com, for a free quote and more information.